Hey consumers, it's me Prasad Vidparak, your Indian consumer, back with another Ask UIC session. And this is our third session. How third? If you don't know that, if you haven't seen the first and the second session yet, I'm not talking about the FAQs video, I'm talking about the Ask UIC Ask Prasad sessions. If you haven't seen the previous question and answer sessions, I'll provide it in the I button here and you will get a playlist there. So let's get into it. Let's quickly get into the questions. But before that, I would like to thank each and every one of you for making us achieve and hit a new milestone of 200,000, 2 lakh subscribers. Yeah, pat your back guys, because it is because of all you people out there, all you beautiful people, awesome people who support me, who keep on motivating me. It is because of you guys that I'm able to achieve new milestones every day. So let's get into the questions. So first things first, let's answer this important question. It is not actually a question, but I seem to offend many Patels out there. Like last session में मैंने ये चीज बोली थी, वो लोग थोड़ी ना सुनने वाले यार, सब पटेल समझते हैं अपने आप को. So many of you did not exactly get what I was trying to tell. Here in Mumbai, if a particular person is acting over smart, अगर वो बहुत ज्यादा होशियारी कर रहा है तो हम लोग कहते हैं कि यार पटेली क्यों कर रहा है. तो पटेल वर्ड कम्स फ्रॉम देयर. तो अगर कोई पटेली कर रहा है तो उसे पटेल बोलते हैं. तो no hard feelings to all the Patel brothers out there, man. I hope that clears the thing out. Nothing was intentional, and if unintentionally, if I've hurt any of your feelings, I'm really sorry for that. AR Tech, and he's asking us, what will be your reaction when you hit 10 lakh subscribers? I'm following the path created by you of honesty. So AR Tech, I did pick your question. Yeah. So 10 lakh subscribers तो नहीं, पर अभी 2 लाख subscribers मैंने achieve किए और बहुत अच्छा लगता है. It feels so good. It feels पावरफुल एंड कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है एक अलग सा. आप लोगों का सपोर्ट, प्यार बहुत ज्यादा मैटर करता है, एंड दैट इज व्हाट हेल्प्स अस to keep moving ahead and creating something different every time. And my reaction when I hit 10 lakh subscribers, I just can't imagine. I'll just go bonkers. Like whatever my reaction is, it will be captured on the camera, so don't worry about it. Kelvin Gonsalves is asking us, do AdSense pay more for international YouTubers, or it is same, and how international YouTubers are growing fast? Can anyone buy subscribers? So international YouTubers, the YouTube payment, everything depends on advertisements. तो अगर advertisers ज़्यादा हैं, वो ज़्यादा पैसे दे रहे हैं, तो YouTube in turn हमें ज़्यादा पैसे देगी, and that is based on CPM. That is how much you get paid for 1,000 views, and it varies as per country. Yeah, it is a sad thing that international YouTubers right now are earning way more than Indian YouTubers. And as far as buying subscribers goes, I don't feel there are any platforms which can help you to buy subscribers, but there are websites out there जो सब पे सब मतलब बोलते हैं ना, You subscribe me, I'll subscribe you back. That kind of उस पे चलते हैं, but that is of no use यार. आप लोगों को genuine followers नहीं मिल रहे, views नहीं मिल रहे, तो मतलब क्या है? वेदिक एस्ट्रो ने पूछा, what is AdSense Swift code? Please answer me. तो AdSense Swift code के बारे में बहुत लोगों ने क्वेश्चन पूछा. तो it is a code, it is an international code of every branch. Every branch has a Swift code. तो ये जो Swift code होता है, that is required for international payment transfer. So yeah, the Swift code is really important for all the AdSense transactions. अगर आपके ब्रांच को Swift code नहीं है तो शायद वो कोई सब ब्रांच होगी. आप हेड ब्रांच में जाके पूछिए कि Swift code क्या है. Generally, every branch has one Swift code. आप मैनेजर से जाके पूछिए. And this code is not mentioned on your passbook या आपके चेकबुक पे, जैसे IFSC कोड, नेशनल कोड जो होता है उस तरह से ये मेंशन नहीं होगा. ये इंटरनेशनल कोड है और आपको जाके आपके मैनेजर से या डायरेक्टली बैंक में पूछना पड़ेगा, एंड डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट योर Swift code. Technos is asking me, sir, why you don't use Adobe Premiere Pro as video editing software? So I have tested the Premiere Pro. I even tested it in Nextup. YouTube Studio में मैं वहाँ पे मैंने टेस्ट किया था, but I did not like the software that much. काफी complicated है. It is just they have made it so complicated. So that is why I find HitFilms really easy, and that is why I use HitFilms. But if in future I'll definitely increase my production cost, if that increases the load on the videos and the software, I'll have to update to the Adobe Premiere Pro, because I feel that is the best software right now in the market. It can handle load really easily. So let's see, future में पता नहीं शायद use करूँ. Fun Unlimited is asking me a really funny question, like, will you please open Akon's Wikipedia and spell his wiki name? Like, okay, let's try. Akon का नाम क्या होगा? Akon ही तो होगा. Okay, Akon. Oh wow, now that's one hell of a name. That's a difficult one, man. Out of syllabus. Aliyumi Damala Badara Akon Thiam. Of course, that was not my first attempt. Utkar Sinha is asking, don't you feel awkward by vlogging at certain places in India? Actually, vlogging everywhere outside in public in India is awkward, but because people stare at you like, मतलब बंदा क्या कर रहा है, कैमरा कौन सा है, and I don't know, but yeah, it is difficult, but कुछ ज़्यादा ही बोल रहा हूँ ना. Yeah, the thing is, I'm talking with you people, so if you focus on that कि मैं अपने सब्सक्राइबर से बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं आप लोगों से बात कर रहा हूँ, then the task becomes really easy, because it is like conversing with your friend. तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा easy हो जाता है. Yeah, that is how I do it. Do you still go to the gym? If no, then which physical activity you do to keep yourself in shape? I play PES 2016. Now that's not a physical activity. I don't go to the gym basically now because I have some injuries, my shoulder, my wrist. There are some injuries which I'm working on right now. I'm giving rest to my body, but I try and do some physical activity. जब भी time मिले chair से उठता हूँ, try to do some stretching and everything. And soon I think I'll start jogging. So let's see. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I need to get back in shape. That's for sure. The journey, guys, is not over. I have to get in shape, and I'll do that. I'm sure I'll do that. मरने से पहले shape में आके ही रहूँगा. Pranav Bharadwaj is asking, do you donate something from your income? Ask QIC. Now this is something I don't generally talk about क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग में मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा प्रमोट किया था एक चीज़ जो मैं स्टार्टिंग में करता था. जो लोग पहले से हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए उन्हें पता होगा. तो या अगेन हियर इट इज फॉर यू. तो एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग, एफिलिएट लिंक से जितने भी परचेजेस होते हैं, तो बिहाइंड एवरी परचेज आई डोनेट 5 रुपीज. अगर वो 10 रुपए की हो या 10,000 रुपए की हो, बिहाइंड दैट वन परचेज 5 रुपए डोनेट करता हूँ. या Vijay Karthik is asking, hi Prasad, I can't afford 50,000 on a DSLR camera. I heard that there is a market for cameras in Mumbai. Why don't you make a vlog regarding the price at the market at Bora Bazaar, which is at CFT? Can we buy from there? Ask UIC, your Indian subscriber. So Bora Bazaar is a good place, but the thing is वहाँ पे बहुत सारे फर्स्ट कॉपीज भी मिलती है. तो अगर आपको सेकेंड हैंड कैमरा लेना है तो वो जगह बहुत अच्छी है. वहाँ पे आप जाके अच्छी डील क्रैक कर सकते हैं. There is one vlog where I and Rishikesh go to Bora Bazaar, Lamented Road, और वहाँ पे मैंने थोड़े शॉप्स और थोड़ा वो गली बताई है आपको. तो या इफ यू हैवंट सीन दैट व्लॉग, आपको ढूंढना पड़ेगा मेरे व्लॉग्स में, क्योंकि मुझे भी ढूंढना पड़ेगा, मैं आई बटन में नहीं डाल रहा हूँ. तो या दैट्स व्हाट द थिंग इज. बट आई फील एक सेकंड हैंड DSLR लेने से अच्छा आपका बजट जितना भी हो, आप उतने में कोई अच्छा नया कैमरा ले लो एज पर योर नीड. तो दैट विल बी मच बेटर. एंड एज फार एज बाइंग फ्रॉम Bora Bazaar goes, बी रियली केयरफुल व्हाइल बाइंग स्टफ फ्रॉम देयर. डुप्लीकेट आपको निकॉन की बैटरीज मिलती है, चार्जर लेंसेज आपको डुप्लीकेट मिल जाएंगी. तो बी वेरी केयरफुल. बॉक्स पे जो सील होता है, होलोग्राम होता है, बॉक्स की ऑथेंटिसिटी चेक करिएगा. बारकोड अगर उस पे हो तो स्कैन करके वहां का वहां देख लीजिए कि ऐसा कुछ प्रोडक्ट है या नहीं है. तो डू ऑल दोज नेसेसरी थिंग्स एंड या बी अ वाइज कंज्यूमर. सर्वा गया भार्गवा is asking me, how is your sex life? Ask UIC. And the second question is, who is more wild in bed? Now I'll be answering this. Blocked. I hope that was wild enough. FD11 is asking me, what is your views on top sites like Amazon, Flipkart selling duplicate products even after claiming that they sell 100% original products? Actually, there are many sellers who register on Amazon, Flipkart, all the e-commerce sites, and they start selling like these first copies. और आप JBL के देखो, बहुत सारी फर्स्ट कॉपीज खुलेआम बिक रही हैं. Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, these e-commerce sites don't seem to have a control over it. I don't know why this is happening. There should be a quality control department जो seller से product आता है उसके authenticity check करे और फिर जाके आगे वो product दे. But that is not happening, and people are selling duplicate products. So what I can ask you guys to do is, नीचे गंदा सा रिव्यू डाल दो, बहुत इतना मजबूत रिव्यू डालो कि लोगों को पता चले कि what these people are doing, and you need to target these websites and tell them you need to do a quality check before supplying such like secondary items. It is in your hands. Consumers, you are powerful. Take control. Techno Ruiz, मेरा दोस्त, he is asking me, how much do you earn monthly? रुएस, तू घर पे आ, तुझे बताता हूँ, पूरा पासबुक निकाल के तेरे हाथ में देता हूँ. आ घर पे आ. विधान सरकार is asking, ask UIC, you eat beef and bacon? Yes, I do eat beef and bacon. मेरे पांट्री वाली ब्लॉग में मैंने बताया कि मैं आई एम ईटिंग अ बीफ एंड बेकन बर्गर. देयर वर सम पीपल हु हैड ऑब्जेक्शन विद माय फूड एंड who were trying to give me their peace of mind. For me, killing a cow and killing a hen and killing a cockroach is equal, because you're killing someone and you're taking a life. So either you don't do it or you do it. And I eat meat, so I do it. I don't support it, but I like it. That is how I was raised, and I feel there should be a freedom of food. Yeah, just like we have freedom of speech. Ayush Gaming 8 is asking me, your Indian consumer, which is your favorite mobile company? Ask UIC. This is a difficult one because, frankly speaking, I don't like any company. Any mobile company I don't like. I like the service of Apple. I like the service of Samsung. Apple really treats you like a king. But as far as the product goes, it is highly overpriced. I don't like the way they brand it or they sell it, because that is creating a really negative image in the market and people are becoming really poppy. If you haven't checked that YouTuber out, you need to. She's really interesting. I feel if Samsung removes the TouchWiz and introduces a stock Android mobile phone, Samsung definitely will be my favorite company. Earlier it was Motorola, but then Lenovo took over and Spoiled everything. As of now, I feel Samsung. Yeah. Anmol is asking me, why don't you review gaming consoles? Anmol, I'd love to review gaming consoles. I love gaming consoles actually. But right now I don't want to do that much of an investment. And neither is Sony, PlayStation or Xbox. Those guys aren't providing me any review units. So yeah, that is the reason I'm not reviewing any gaming consoles, because I don't have the review units. If anyone is watching this video who has the power to provide me that thing, then I will review it. Whatever it is. Not just a gaming console. Whatever. Man V Bhatia is asking, given all the money in the world, what your Indian consumer will do? Which gear do you go for? What do you want to make in your videos? Okay. So given all the money in the world, if all the money in the world is given to me, I'll make education and healthcare free. Yeah, that is the thing I do. As far as our channel goes, I'll buy really high-tech cameras, good lights. I'll buy an office. Office is a main priority for me right now because working from home is really difficult. And yeah, I'll buy an office. I'll make a proper studio. I'll make a setup. I'll arrange a staff who will properly work for me. The website which we are working on, it will get much more better. So yeah, if given all the money in the world, it will be invested in your Indian consumer for the betterment of every Indian consumer. Shantanu Tambe is asking, how can I send you a fan mail parcel? Shantanu, I already have a PO box. तो आपके कमेंट पे मैंने नीचे मेरा PO box detail mentioned है. मेरे हर वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में PO box details होते हैं. So yeah, you can send me whatever you want on my PO box number. Shubham Koyande is asking me, please bro, who is your inspiration? I love your family, bro. So my biggest inspiration will be Sandeep Maheshwari, because there was a time in my life when I was really low and I was introduced to Sandeep Maheshwari, and after that my life, like the way I look at life, my complete perspective of looking at things changed. So Sandeep Maheshwari is a huge inspiration. Along with Sandeep Maheshwari, I look up to every individual out there who is working for his dream, who is working for a cause. Working for a cause is really important. So yeah, but Sandeep Maheshwari has a special position, and that guy is awesome. Awesome. Morgan is asking, when are you planning for Mumbai meetup? So many people, not just Morgan, many people have asked for the meetup thing. Last vlog में मैंने बताया था कि those people who really want to meet me, do meet me. They order a cake from Deepika and they come here and meet me. So that is a way of meeting me. There are many other ways. So those who really want to meet me, do meet me. And as far as me organizing a meetup goes, I've already said this, that when I launch my website, that is when I'll be keeping a proper meetup. Yeah. And if you want to meet me before that, you can definitely order a cake and meet me, because that thing solves two purposes. आपका मिलना भी हो जाता है और anyways आपको केक खरीदना ही होता है. So you are getting the best possible cake available in India. Yeah, I rate her that. I certify it. There was some question regarding certification. I taste it and that is how I certify it. So yeah, you're getting the best cakes in the town and a chance to meet me. So yeah, एक तीर में दो निशान. Again, there were so many questions regarding money, how much I earn, how much monthly income कितना आता है. एंड सर प्लीज बताओ, क्योंकि मुझे यूट्यूब करियर के तौर पे लेना है. अरे यार, पैसा मैटर नहीं करेगा, बोल रहा हूँ, पैसा पानी की तरह आएगा. जिस चीज के बारे में पैशनेट हो ना, वो चीज करो. मुझे अगर रात को उठा दो ना आप और बोलो यार ये नई चीज आई है, ये देख, खोल, इसका वीडियो बना, आई डू इट. इफ यू आर पैशनेट, इफ यू लव डूइंग समथिंग, इफ यू फील दीज पीपल कैन बेनिफिट बाय योर वर्क, go for it, do it. YouTube is offering you a really nice platform which is free of cost. तो यार give it a shot and mark my words, पैसा पानी की तरह आएगा, trust me, mark my words. Been there, done that. Shyam Poekar is asking, Prasad Datta, what is your internet speed? My pathetic internet speed is 1 Mbps और upload में मुझे around सिर्फ 100 से 150 kbps speed मिलता है. And yeah, I'll be upgrading my internet speed in 2017. Rahul is asking, what was your parents' reaction when you told them you want to make a career in YouTube after doing engineering? So after engineering, immediately I did not go for YouTube. YouTube बहुत बाद में आया. उसके पहले मैंने बहुत सारे jobs किए. I have done multiple businesses. I have tried my luck everywhere. वो सारा experience ले करके फिर यहाँ पे पहुंचा हूँ इस जगह पे. तो या YouTube साइड बाय साइड चालू ही था. But after marriage, जब मेरे हाथ में शिंडलर का ऑफर लेटर था और फिर मैंने मेरे डैड को बोला कि यार आई एम रिजेक्टिंग दिस जॉब एंड आई वांट टू कंटिन्यू एंड फोकस ऑन यूट्यूब. 1000 सब्सक्राइबर भी नहीं थे तभी, 800 सब्सक्राइबर्स या कुछ थे. तो तभी एवरीवन वाज शॉक्ड, एवरीवन वाज अगेंस्ट मी, क्योंकि मैंने 6 महीने मेहनत लेकर के वो जॉब हासिल किया था. एंड या ऑब्वियसली इट वाज एक्सपेक्टेड कि सब लोग को शॉक लगेगा, बट ओनली दीपिका सपोर्टेड मी बिकॉज वी कुड एक्चुअली सी इट. समटाइम्स योर एल्डर्स, योर लव्ड वंस, योर close people won't be able to see what you're seeing. You getting what I'm trying to say, right? Yeah. So the only thing that will matter is do they believe in you. मैंने उनको इतना ही बोला कि मुझ पे भरोसा रखो and let me do what I'm doing. Yeah, that's how it happened. And I really thank my parents for believing in me, my in-laws for supporting me. Like I really love you guys. प्रणव भारद्वाज इज आस्किंग कि डू यू पे टैक्स? भाई सब लोग टैक्स देते हैं। डायरेक्ट टैक्स की अगर बात कर रहे हो तो बिल्कुल वो भी देता हूं मैं। इनफैक्ट मैं जब 19 साल का था तभी पहली बार टैक्स पे किया था। यस, आई डू पे टैक्स। Aryan Jain is asking, are teleshopping sites like HomeShop18 and Naptol trustworthy, or do you prefer Amazon, Flipkart, etc.? Please reply. I prefer Amazon, Flipkart compared to these two names which you have mentioned because I have a really bad experience with Naptol. अगर आप मुझे Facebook पे फॉलो कर रहे हो तो मैंने बहुत पहले करीब 1 साल पहले कुछ पोस्ट डाले थे नापतोल का, तो अभी फिलहाल मेरी ग्रैंडमदर को बहुत ही गंदा एक्सपीरियंस आया है. So yeah, I don't feel they are trustworthy. I personally have had really bad experiences and the products that they offer are even of a inferior quality compared to the price in which they are offering them. So I feel you can get better deals on Amazon and Flipkart. Himali Shroff is asking which software you use for thumbnails of videos. Ask UIC. I use this website called as PicMonkey. I'll provide the link below in the description. It is an amazing website. If you want to edit your thumbnails, do check that website out. And the last question, ये वीडियो काफी लंबा हो गया मुझे पता है. Nav Verma 2000 is asking, tell us your story. मैंने मेरी स्टोरी एक्चुअली पहले ही बताई है. मेरा जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर वीडियो हुआ था उसमें मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें बताई है. सो इट गेट्स यू बैक टू द आई बटन में मैंने प्लेलिस्ट प्रोवाइड की है. उसमें मेरा जो फर्स्ट Q&A है वो जरूर देखिए, आपको मेरी स्टोरी के बारे में अच्छे से अंदाजा आ जाएगा. सो या दैट रैप्स अप दिस Q&A वीडियो. इफ यू गाइस स्टिल हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस, डू मेंशन देम इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो विद द हैशटैग AskUIC. अभी तक आपको पता हो गया होगा. एंड आई टेक ऑल दोस क्वेश्चंस इन आवर नेक्स्ट question answer session. That will be the question answer session number 4. Like always, it was great talking to you people. I'm actually enjoying doing this kind of videos. I love doing Q&A. I don't know why. Well, for now, this was Prasad with your Indian Consumer signing off. Do remember to shop before you swipe, and if you don't need, you don't buy. Bye bye.